The opposition coalition CUPP received with shock the judgment of the Presidential Election Tribunal delivered today upholding the election of President Muhammad Buhari. We reject, and I repeat, the opposition reject it totally and view it as law turned upside down and an insult and provocation on Nigerian people. From the totality of the judgment delivered here today, the Court of Appeal has lost the rare opportunity presented to it by the petition of the consensus candidate Atiku Abubakar to put an end to electoral fraud, leadership incompetence, and imposition of unfit leader on the people. By this judgment today, majority of Nigerians who had believed, though erroneously, that the judiciary was indeed independent, have been brazenly awakened to the fact and correct belief that the presidency had successfully hijacked the judiciary, and Nigeria can only expect judgment, not justice. Today's judgment is a manipulation of the law and the brazen use of technicality to stamp injustice, rob the people of justice, and deny the nation the chance to have a leader that they truly elected in the person of Atiku Abubakar. The nation weeps today. West Africa is crying, and the international community is in shock. Our brothers who have been held hostage by poverty, bandits, killed daily, are now in coma as the appeal courts have used today's judgment to deny them a savior and foisted on them a leader who was not eligible for presidential office, a leader who does not have the capacity to govern, a leader who rode on the blood of our people to power using security agencies, a leader who employs divisive weapon and ethnicity in governance, and a leader who claims to be fighting corruption but dining and sleeping with men known to be corrupt. The nation is the loser today, not Atiku Abubakar or the opposition. Today, the judges of the appeal court have said that Nigerians don't need to present certificates or attach their credentials while seeking public office. What a shame. Nigeria may need more than a decade to repair the damage being done by this government to the very fabrics of our nationhood. However, as lawful citizens and apostles of rule of law, we wish to announce to Nigerians not to lose hope, because our consensus candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar is heading to the Supreme Court for a final appeal to reclaim the people's mandate given to him. We cannot take the law into our hands. Hence, we shall approach the Supreme Court, diligently present our case, and believe that the justices of the Supreme Court will find solace in the fact that their names will be etched in gold and in the science of time when they do the right thing and do justice by bringing the President Muhammad Buhari reign of impunity, incompetence, and stolen mandate to an end.